We've got our system fully set up. We've got our schedule set. We've been having some fun in our presets. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can back up your presets and restore them. When you create presets, they're going to be in here. It comes pre-programmed with 75 preset displays. You could create hundreds of your own custom presets. But let's say you want to back that up in case maybe you delete one by mistake, or maybe you screw one up, or maybe something happened and they're all gone for whatever reason. And I'm going to show you how to back them up and how to restore them. So to do that, we're going to go up to the right corner here, this config option. We want to look for the security and updates. Click on security and updates. You're going to scroll down to the section that says backup and restore. We want the backup presets option. If we click this button, what it's going to do, click on that, it's going to start downloading. You notice up here, it's starting to download a backup of our presets file. If we want to restore the file, you click on choose file. It's usually in your recents folder or find your downloads folder. You're going to find that file that it downloaded. It's going to look something like this, sparkled lights and then some numbers and JSON document. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so you just click on that. It's going to add that file, then you just click upload and it's uploaded and you're all set. When you create a display, back up your presets. If you screw something up or you delete something by mistake, you could go back and restore those presets. But let's say, for example, that you didn't back up your preset file and for some reason here under the presets, let's say they're all gone. Maybe something happened and they all got deleted, or maybe you deleted one but you never backed them up. I actually have our default preset file saved on our website for you to download. You could download that file and restore your default preset. Now it won't save any custom presets that you might have created previously. This will just restore everything back to your default presets. So that's why it's important to make sure you back up your presets. But if you want to download our file, you're going to go to your web browser and you're going to search for my website, GoSparkled.com or Go Spark LED. So Go Sparkled, GoSparkLED.com. We're going to scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom. Okay, once we get down all the way to the bottom here, what you're looking for is the section Quick Links. We want to go to the instructional videos, scroll down to the customization section. Okay, customization. And we want to look for the section that says how to back up and restore your presets. I don't have the video yet. I'm recording it now. But what you'll do is you'll click on download default presets file. We'll click on that. It's going to open this screen. You don't need to worry about any of this. All you need to do is right here, this little download icon. You're going to download that file. Now it's going to download that file onto my phone. We go back to our app. Now, if we want to restore that file that we just downloaded, we're going to click on Config. We're going to go to Security and Updates, scroll down to the section that says Backup and Restore. We're going to click on Choose File. We're going to find that file. These were the backups that we just did. This is the default preset file that I just downloaded, Sparkle Lighting Presets. Okay, so if I click on that, it's going to add that file, click Upload, and that's it. Once it's fully and successfully uploaded the file, you'll get like a little green pop-up notification that'll show up somewhere here saying, hey, it's been restored or downloaded or uploaded or something like that, and then you should be good to go. So if you go back and click back and go back to your presets here, you should have all of your presets restored. Be sure to back up your presets. If you lose them or they're gone, this is exactly step by step how to back up and restore any lost presets.